water, soft drinks, beverages. Come and buy one.
Ooh, hello. I would like to buy some water.
Of course, choose one. You can pay by coins or a card.
Oh! Excuse me, but your machine is broken.
What?
Oh, it's really broken. The vending machine will be fixed in 10 minutes.
Ooh, all right. I will fix it now.
Alright, it's fixed and now you can buy your drink.
I would love to, because I'm so thirsty. Oh, different story. What's going on? What is this?
Oh!
Cool!
I've got a magic vending machine now!
And can your machine make the sweets bigger?
Let's try.
I want a chocolate egg! Wow, amazing! A gigantic chocolate egg!
Whoa!
One,
2, 3!
wow!
It's fantastic! This is a real magic!